Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, like, and share this video.
Explanation of division. Division involves equal sharing of items or a number. Consider dividing 6 mangoes among 2 children, one named Kakra and the other named Penny. Now, distributing the mangoes one by one to each child. Now we have one for Penny, one for Kakra, one for Penny again, another for Kakra. We have 2 mangoes left. Then we give one again to Penny, then the last one to Kakra. You realize that each child has 3 mangoes. Hence, we can conclude that 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Dividing whole numbers by fractions. Illustrative example 1. Consider the problem 2 divided by 1 out of 4, or 1/4. This is the same as saying how many 1/4s are in 2 wholes. Answering the question 2 divided by 1 out of 4. Representing 2 wholes for the number 2 and dividing both wholes into 4 equal parts. Note that each part represents 1 out of 4, since 4 1/4s add up to 1 whole. Now let us count the number of 1/4s that are found in our diagrams. And in counting, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Hence, there are 8 1/4s in 2 wholes, which answers our question. Therefore, 2 divided by 1 out of 4 gives us the answer 8. The algebraic approach. The problem can be rewritten as 2 divided by 1 out of 4 equal to n, where n is the answer. This can also be written as n times 1 out of 4 equal to 2, since it is our quest to find out the number of times 1/4 can actually fit in the number 2. This implies that 1 over 4n gives us 2. Now in multiplying 4 by both sides of the equation, 4 cancels out 4 at the left hand side, resulting to the answer n is equal to 8. Therefore, 2 divided by 1 over 4 is equal to 8. Dividing fractions by other fractions. Illustrative example 2. Consider the problem below. 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 4. This is the same as how many 1/4s are in 3/4. Answering the question 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 4. Again, picking a whole or a rectangle and dividing it into 4 equal parts, you already know that each part is actually 1 out of 4. So, and you also know that 3 1/4s add up to 3 out of 4. So let's count the part that represents 3 out of 4. We have 1, 2, 3, and of course the last one we cancel it. So The parts we counted actually sum up to 3 out of 4. How many 1/4 did you count? It's obvious. 3. Hence, there are 3 1/4 in 3 out of 4, which answers our question. Therefore, 3 out of 4 divided by 1 out of 4 is equal to 3. The problem can be rewritten as 3 out of 4 divided by 1 out of 4, giving us the answer n, where n is the answer. This can also be written as n times 1 out of 4 is equal to 3 out of 4, implying that 1 out of 4n is equal to 3 out of 4. Multiplying the reciprocal of the divisor by both sides of the equation, the 4 cancels out the 4 at the left hand side of the equation, and the 4 cancels out 4 at the right hand side of the equation. Simplify to the answer n is equal to 3. Therefore, 3 out of 4 divided by 1 out of 4 is equal to 3. Generalization. In division involving two fractions, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor to obtain the result. Thus, 3 out of 4 divided by 1 out of 4 is equal to 3 out of 4 multiplied by 4 on 1, which should simplify to the answer 3. Evaluation. Solve the following problems. Well done, and thank you for your time. See you again next time. Goodbye.